Hello, my name's Chris. I'm a ranger with the Pembrokeshire Coast National Park. Today I've come to have a quick look at ferns. I've got some interesting facts about ferns and also an interesting fact about custard creams, but we'll come on to that later. So basically ferns are very ancient plants. They've survived many glaciations, and the reason why they've survived many glaciations is because of their reproductive cycle. So to reproduce they don't require any insects, which is a thing which you often don't have after a glaciation period. They reproduce with spores, so they've got these little capsules underneath the leaves. The spores are released later on in the year, they'll fall onto the ground, and the ones that find a nice damp wet patch will start to kind of reproduce asexually. Basically they create their own male and female bits, and then they produce into a new fern. So these plants have been very, very popular with Victorian plant hunters, particularly the Victorian ladies. Between the sort of 1840s and 1880s, these plants were collected from all around the world, and they were brought back to gardens, to gardens like Colby, to create ferneries. And the plants were kind of seen as pure and clean because, you know, the asexual reproduction. But while these Victorian ladies were collecting these plants, they also invented a biscuit. That biscuit was the custard cream, obviously seen as a hearty biscuit to take out while you're fern collecting. And we can tell this because of the design pattern on the front of a custard cream. So you'll see lots of twirly shapes. That is actually based on ferns. And you'll also see the patterns and shapes of ferns in lots of Victorian kind of furniture in gardens, so benches and things like that. So these plants are amazing. The one I've got behind us here is soft shield fern. You can tell this because it's got like a little mitten shape on the leaf. Another one to look out for is the male fern, which has got a more uniform shape to each leaflet. So yeah, if you've enjoyed this, get out into woodland and have a look at some ferns.